Barely stepping out of their teenage years, the incredible young duo of Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty have already stirred up quite the storm on the global badminton circuit.
चिराग का स्पिरिट बहुत अच्छा है, फाइटिंग स्पिरिट, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट रहता है कोर्ट पे.
Satvik's X factor would be his smash. He's definitely one of the hardest hitters in the world currently.
मैं जिधर स्टार्ट किया उधर 2 ही कोर्ट रहता था. There were like almost 30 to 40 people, so we don't get chance to play more singles.
So my father took me to the Goregaon Sports Club. I was playing along with him, and my first coach, Manish Hadkar, saw me play, and he went up to my father and asked him, "Why don't you make your son join the regular coaching?" So I think that's how I started playing badminton.
Born on August 13, 2000 in Amlapuram, Satvik Sairaj inherited his love for the game and his attacking spirit from home. His father, Vishwanathan, who apart from being a state level player himself, is also a badminton coach and a referee. As a child, Satvik felt inclined towards the sport on his own, going to the stadium, and at the age of 14, he joined the famous Pulela Gopichand Badminton Academy in Hyderabad. Born on 4th of July 1997 in Mumbai, Chirag Shetty adopted his hobby at the age of 7. Soon, Kim Tanhar, the head coach of the Indian badminton doubles team, saw their technique and identified their potential and took the responsibility to pursue them. This pair of Chirag Shetty and Satvik Sairaj is almost a fortunate coincidence for India, as the two youngsters did not want to play together in the beginning.
I was not very comfortable, like I was more onto Telugu people.
And he did not mingle with the people who used to speak Hindi.
कोच बोला कि तुम दोनों साथ में रहना है, दोनों एक ही रूम में रहना है, तो शेयर करना है, एटलीस्ट 1 meal you should go out and eat together. Understanding बहुत अच्छा है हम दोनों का.
Both of them used to play on the side, both of them used to hit. Nobody was ready to play at the front as such.
Dan Kimhar, the coach who came up with that idea. So when he came up and said, because they looked a natural fit, because Satvik had the big smash, and with both of them towering on court, they made a deadly combination.
The rise of Satvik Chirag has been meteoric, and the world number 10 doubles duo have forged a formidable partnership that has seen them emerge victorious in many a conquest. In the process, they also started adding titles and collecting medals to their name. Picking up the 2018 Hyderabad Super Open 100 title, the pair of Satvik Sairaj and Chirag Shetty raced into the finals of the Saeed Modi Super 300 tournament in 2018, as well as the 2019 French Open. In 2019, the duo also bagged the Thai Open Super 500 title, an incredible feat by an Indian doubles pair. The crowning moment of glory for this dynamic pair arrived at the 2018 Commonwealth Games.
We played 4 to 5 tournaments together, and we won all 4 of them. I think those victories really made us believe that we actually have a shot at getting a medal for the country in the Olympics.
It is our first Olympics. We want to perform pretty well.
They got all the help from the government in their pursuit of excellence.
The government of India and SAI have been working really hard to give us the best facilities.
Target is like gold.
We definitely have a good chance of getting a medal for the country.
Satvik and Chirag have revamped the country's conception about doubles in Indian badminton with their arrival. The lone Indian men's double pair to head to Tokyo Olympics, Satvik and Chirag will be shouldering the hopes of an entire nation who will have their eyes fixated on this dynamic combination as they make their Olympic debut. Tapush Bhattacharya's report, DD India.